Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up face unlock feature on your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To do that, first of all, you have to make sure that your camera is toggled on. So take a look at the right edge of your laptop and make sure that the toggle is on. Then you're gonna have to open settings on your laptop. So let's go to the start menu and select settings in here. Then we're gonna have to go to accounts on the sidebar, select sign in options, then go to facial recognition, click setup, click get started, enter your PIN code and look directly at your device's camera after that. Make sure that your camera can clearly read your face. Make sure that your face is not covered. And once it says all set, we can close this window and now we can try to unlock our device using face. To do that, select sign in options on your lock screen, select face and look at your device. To remove your facial model, select remove right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.